Hello, Emily here from Current Body. We're often asked about why we choose to work with particular devices and what makes those special. And a good example at the moment is Microdermabrasion. So this has been a salon treatment that's been popular for very many years. It uses a suction technique and a slightly abrasive surface on the surface of the skin to take away any dead skin cells and to suck away any dirt and grime that's stuck in your pores. Now, we only work with a few very select microdermabrasion companies, one of them being Trophy Skin, which is a fantastic brand, beautifully packaged, very, very effective devices, and a fantastic price point in this case. But if you are somebody who's coming into beauty devices and don't necessarily know your way around them, it can be very misleading when you first start to look for them. So we've actually purchased an example device. If you are to go and search for microdermabrasion and you're looking perhaps at one of the marketplace sites, this is the type of thing that might come up. We wanted to compare them for you so you know why you're investing a bit more into a device that really, really works for you. So let's start off with the £20 version that we purchased. So this device, it has suction. But the thing it's missing, which is the key point about microdermabrasion, is there isn't actually any abrasion. So it's a suction device, you turn it on, it goes through the levels of suction, but the suction cup at the top here is completely smooth. When I compare it to the microdermabrasion device that we like working with, you will understand a bit more as to why it works. One of the things for me personally, when it comes to looking at these cheap versions of devices, is if I'm going to put something on my face, and it's a technology that's maybe got an electric current or a mild abrasion, I absolutely want to know where it's come from and where it's been. With some of these cheaper devices, you're not really there, you don't really have that assurance. For me personally, putting something like that on my face would be a complete no-no. So then if you go to look at, this is the Trophy Skin Mini MD, which is a fantastic investment. It's only £85. Now, if you're someone who has salon microdermabrasion treatments, they come up at around £30 to £40 a go. So 2 treatments and you've essentially got your money back. This device is really beautifully made. You can see from the design that great attention has gone into it, which is a sign of good quality really. But the key thing is about the tips. So these are slightly diamond abrasive tips. You can get different levels of abrasion depending on your skin type. Although it is slightly rough, it's also smooth around the edge. It feels like it's been well made. So for me, the difference between these kind of devices is absolutely huge, but it can be misleading as a consumer. So to sort of round up, the things that you're really looking for are make sure that you're buying from a reputable retailer. If a price online seems particularly good, it probably is too good to be true. And make sure you do your research. That's where we come in at Current Body. We're the beauty device experts. We will give you all the information you need to make sure that you might make the right purchase for you. So that's the Trophy Skin Mini MD, which is available from us at just £85.